Hi guys, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. I make time-lapse videos of how I did my paintings. This is the second video of my animal eye series. If you would like to see how I painted this eye of a leopard, then please continue watching. So first, a quick sketch with a colored charcoal pencil. Then referring to the reference photo, I roughly decide what are the color mixes I need and decide on which color to put on my palette. I then mixed a black color with the blue, red and green and start painting from the rim of the eyeball and move on from there. The flesh around the eye, as tiny as it is, there is a slight curve there which will reflect lights hitting on it. So we have to pay attention and convey this light reflection in the painting. Most of the time there will be a cast shadow on the top of the eyeball. Very important not to miss this. A leopard's eyes are so colorful. From the edge, it transitions from black to brown and light yellow, then blue, and there's a slight orange by the edge of the pupil. It might look very complicated to paint, but just putting in the color part by part like a patchwork, then gently blend them together. Some artists paint the iris by layering of colors. I find this method of putting in colors like a patchwork works best for me, and I think it's easier this way. Let me just speed up the fur painting part here, as our focus here is the eye. So the first layer is done. I'll do a second layer so that the colors will be more saturated. Day 2 and the first layer is dry. I'll paint the same way all over again and correct anything that seems out of place now. Here I am adding tiny lines on the iris. As iris is usually not a very smooth surface, adding these tiny details will make it look more realistic. The reflection is also not a uniformed color. There will be slight differences in the value of the light color hitting the eyeball. There is one slight problem here. The blue on the iris on my reference printout is bluer than what I see on my computer image. And in my painting is even more bluish than the printout. It becomes very unnatural, so I have to correct this. Now that's better. Okay, that's it for today's video. Please like, share, and do consider subscribing to my channel. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.